everyone, this is Lana Tabor for Spellbinders and welcome to my channel. Today we are playing with Spellbinders Stitch Die of the Month Club, and I have already started working on my stuff here, and I am going to show you what is that we are going to be doing today. As of right now, I am just going to die cut a bunch of these, prepare myself for my awesome stitching little sounds, so to speak. It's going to be fun, and I hope you are going to enjoy today's little video. So I am back with all my die cuts, and I cut a lot, and everything that I cut here is in black. The cardstock that I use is cardstock from Cardstock Warehouse. This is their Ebony 100-pound cardstock. I love this cardstock. Often use paper from this company. I will link it down below so you can check them out. Now, this is the actual stitch die set of the month for the month of November. I am loving this die set. Now, the reason I am using this tool because it's so much easier for me to pick it from the table. I don't know if you ever use that or not, but I find this tool to be super cool, not just for the heat press from Spellbinders, but also when I am actually die cutting, so I can just pick these dies easily and put them away, because it's always so hard to pick them off the work surface. So that's what I wanted to show you. And why did I pick black? Now here it is. Look at these neon colors. Oh my goodness, I am just so excited to use these, and I figured that the best way to get these colors to pop is on the black cardstock. So I got these at Michael's. I'm pretty sure you can find them anywhere, really. I'm gonna be using all these cool neon colors. I have 3 of these greens, which is good for my leaves. I have 2 different colors of purple, 3 different shades of blue to tone down a little bit of that crazy neon color. And here is the orange. I mean, how cool is this? Look at these colors. I love it. I really do. And here is yellow and orange, and I think that's just absolutely perfect for this project. And now what I'm going to do is, here I have all my neon colors here, and I'm gonna start on stitching. It is going to be super easy, super quick, I hope. So let me just open this and get my needle from here. I'm gonna use this big needle. The reason I do it and I have this big needle because it's so much easier for me to handle the thread, and it has a big loop here, so I can easily put the thread or floss through it. I know I'm probably not supposed to do it with this big needle, but I do like it. And I want to show you what I'm going to make real quick is 2 square cards. Now these are going to be a little bit bigger. There's a 5.5 by 5.5, and we're going to make one mini slimline and of course a slimline card. And as a background, I am using black glitter cardstock. I just Love it. So here, I am just gonna fast forward to this. I'm gonna keep on stitching and I will see you once everything is done. And I am back with all my little pieces. They're all assembled and I just love how all of them turned out. I really like this neon thread or floss on black cardstock. Now all that it's left is assembly, of course. I have this a big foam tape. This is from Altenew, but I'm going to put it on the side just in case if I need it. I'm not sure if I'm going to need it or not. But here, these are the cards that we're making, right? Again, slimline, mini slimline, and 2 of the square cards. Let's start with the mini slimline card first. So I grabbed my liquid adhesive and simply glued that card panel to my card base and attached all these little elements. Now, one thing I wanted to tell you about this particular flower is that the leaves have 2 different colors of thread in them. I decided to put that floss apart and attach 2 different threads, and actually it turns out pretty awesome. Now here I am moving to a slimline card, and this is when I realized that that glue is not strong enough to hold anything on that glitter cardstock, and I'm sure you have experienced this. So I used a heat gun and it worked like a charm. The only thing that you have to be careful about is actually not burning your fingers. I guess this helps if you know which tools you're working with. So here it is, my first square card, and that card is done. And here we are with the second square card and my final card. This is what I created. I die cut 2 pieces, and here you can see that I just simply trimmed that one petal and decided to make this into a one big flower. And next, everything is pretty much very simple. Just attached these 2 pieces, glue them onto the card base, and attached all those little stitched pieces, and the card was done. Love this project. Look at these fun cards. Now you can do a lot of different stuff to it. You can change the thread. Of course, it doesn't have to be black. It doesn't have to be neon. It can be any color you want, of course. And but I just wanted to have something a little bit different, a little bit more festive, and use as much of that of those dies that I could. I hope you like this project, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will have everything listed down below for you to check out, my affiliate links. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I am happy to answer all your questions you may have. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.